friends, and today we are back again here, and the topic is why we need a mentor for improving communication skills. Communication skills are very important, you know. In your school, in our college, we never had a mentor for communication skills. We had mentors for all other subjects, but mentor was never there for communication skills. And this is the reason why today we are discussing this topic. People think that communication skill can be learned at home. They can watch some videos, they can read some books, and they can be a good communicator. They think that communication is what, just like go and speak up. But it's not the fact actually. Communication skills need proper training, need proper guidance. Because there are many things which we don't understand how to be a good communicator, how to work on your fluency, how to build on your confidence. And today we have all the teachers who are my students who are going to speak with you about importance of teachers in communication. Of course, teachers are very important in every aspect of life, but today we are going to focus on communication skills, fluency development, why teachers are important. Because we need a direction. We need someone to show us the right direction. We need someone to motivate us. We need someone to support us emotionally. Because communication skill is not a 1 month or 2 month, it's a lifetime journey. At the end, what may happen is if you don't have a mentor, you will keep on just working on but going in the wrong direction, and it's of no use. The right direction, the proper psychological support, and the proper technical training is very important if you want to be a good communicator. So friends, come on, let us start and let us see what is the importance of a teacher, a good communication teacher in our life. So let's start with Ganeshwari madam, you are also a doctor, you are a teacher. Good morning to you. Please introduce yourself to the class and then tell why a teacher is important in communication. Yes. Can you hear me, madam?
Sir, shall I?
Yeah,
yes, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Yes.
Myself?
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning, sir, and good morning, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Gnaneshwari. I am working as assistant professor in reputed 80 years reputed government Ayurvedic college, Dr. BRK Government Ayurvedic College from Hyderabad. I am speaking. Yeah, in my view, communication mentor is very important to learn communication skills, because without mentor we could not able to see the path what we are doing and what we are traveling, how we are traveling. There is a communication skills were not a complete a destiny. It's from a journey throughout our life. It is very important. Without mentor, we should not able to see what the path, what the direction we are reaching, how the direction is there. I think that when mentor is as like a lantern. He's show any time the path. Otherwise, we could not miss travel to other directions. I get a lot of things after joining this course, because before joining this course, I couldn't even speak a single sentence without mentor, because I lacking lot of confidence in my this thing. While I'm speaking, very fear to expose myself in front of other speakers. After joining this course, I have feel very much blessed and feel very much privileged, because the way the mentor given me the lot of confidence and the pushing towards to speak. We are all here, lot members have lot of having a subject, but the way we are not communicating, to the way we are not express our view, the what is useful for that subject. The way we are, whenever we go to communicate the proper way, we have the knowledge explore to other. They are feel, oh, these people are having lot of knowledge. Without the mentor, we can't do these are all things, because when we are having the mentor only, we can achieve our goal. What is the communication skills? Nowadays this communication is very essential in each and every part of the life. what here I experienced means this the really it's a journey throughout the life. It is essential for our this communication. The mentor role is an important because he empower the our knowledge, and not only knowledge, all the around the public speaking also, entire personal development also have the mentor. Because while we reading a lot of books, in that books we come across a lot of psychology based things, how to stand, how to attitude, how to everything, have a, really we have developed such a personality development through the mentor only. What the mentor has done, he is not even do the spoon feeding. He make the learn to how to shape the spoon. Then we will go to our achieve to our goal. What our
Yes.
goal is the communication. If we can do continuously like this is a without mentor. I could not able to do this thing here. I'm unable to speak single sentences also. Now I'm speaking with the 3 or 4 minutes means this is a great achievement for me. This in this 1 month, this is a very good platform. The immense supportive and immense pleasure to have this platform, sir. I bow down in front of you, sir. Literally, I have very much happy, because without this, I am very feeling very low and low self-esteem towards in front of people also. Now I get confidence to speak. Not only, communication is very much important in all the, it plays an important role in all everyone lives, sir. This is my view. Thank you for giving me this opportunity on this regard, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Now, this was a doctor who was a teacher, and now we have a yoga teacher here, and his name is Pradnesh. Pradnesh, you are
Namaste.
a yoga teacher. Namaste
Yes.
to you. Namaste, and you are a yoga teacher. And I mean, who better than you can tell us the importance of a teacher in our communication skills? Because you are also a teacher, you are a trainer, and you know it's very important. You can't, you do your yoga at your home. It will be very risky. You know exactly how to train your patients. So, in our case, in communication case, you have joined me. I can see some good changes in you. How, what do you feel like? What is the role of a teacher, and why a teacher is important for communication skills?
Okay. Namaste, sir, and namaste, everyone. I am Pradnesh Naikwadi from Pune, Maharashtra. I have completed my master in Yoga Shastra. Swasthya Medical Yoga is my own therapy institute. I am working here as a consultant medical yoga therapist, and I am very thankful for this great opportunity. According to me, sir, this topic is very important because learn English by its own is quite difficult. Let me explain. For Indians, English is a third language after mother tongue and national language Hindi. So because of that, environment of speaking English is not good here. In this condition, I definitely feel importance of mentor who can help and guide me here. So at the same time, after British went back, sir, they leave our country. In India, those who can speak English that time and they can understand English that time, they feel they created hypo about English. And because of that, the lots of gap between those are speaking English and those are not speaking in English. There is a huge gap in between. So there is a creating a gap in communication. This is the one side. The another side of coin is that let's see the other side. During British rule, we as an Indian has banned everything from Britishers because their cloth and everything they have brought to the India, we ban everything. And because of this language is Britishers' language, most of the people feel that we have to don't speak this language. So in this situation, we passed a loss of year, but now the situation has been changed. People had anger about the English, but now its situation has changed. because they know and they understand the importance of the English, because this is the global language. Because when we see the attitude of people towards English has been changing, and for change that attitude, we definitely need a mentor, because the English is, people feel little bit fear about this. People feel less confidence while speaking. So for come out this situation, definitely, definitely, I need a teacher. I need a mentor. So that's from my side, sir.
Exactly. And Pradnesh, even I believe that a mentor is very important part of our life. Even if you are good in that field, still we need a mentor. You can give example of Sachin Tendulkar. He had a mentor in his life, Asrekar sir.
Yes.
It does not mean that Sachin was not capable enough, but the initial lessons which Asrekar sir gave, not only lessons, not only the technique, but the psychological support is very crucial. If you go in any field, people who are having a good mentor, people who are having a good teacher, they have succeeded in life. Communication skill today, as I said before, has become vital. It's like oxygen for your success. You are you are very good in technical skills. You have a lot of knowledge. You are hardworking. You are sincere, but you can't express that. It becomes a big hurdle if you can't express that, and especially in English, and especially in front of people. Fear is there. People will judge you. You are not aware of how to handle these psychological issues. You don't know how to build your sentence structures. You don't know how to build your vocabulary. You don't know how to understand the fluent speakers and how to go on the stage and speak up. And then you get completely confused. And in that case, experienced teacher is very important. Dear friends, I'm not saying that I am a good teacher. There are many teachers out there. You can take help of them and work on your communication. We have one more teacher now, who is Jennifer. Hi, Jennifer. Good morning to you, and introduce yourself.
Very good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jennifer. I have been from Chennai, Tamil Nadu state. I'm working as a teacher. So, according to me, I would like to share few points about my journey in DNA, then I will start the topic. So, before joining this DNA course, I'm speaking, but low self-esteem is there, not confident. So, after joining this DNA, 2 months completed for me. Really, lots of changes I can see from my side. I'm regularly following my habits, English habits. So consistency is there, perseverance is there. Really, I can see the changes. I'm following all the habits every day. I'm sending the report in my group. So I can see my confidence level increased. And I'm thanking Sandeep sir from the bottom of my heart, and Rahul sir, and all the members in this DNA. So now I will start my topic, why we need mentor in English speaking. So acquiring a language skills is not something it should be done in school or classroom. We need mentor. Like I can give an example. When the child born, the child need parents to feed the child, to protect the child. In the same way, when we grow up, we are standing in a crossroad. We don't know which path we need to select. So when I have the mentor, the correct person, the person who is having the clear vision, he had more experience, more techniques, he developed own skills, then I can choose my path. I can take a good decision in my life. So what I have done is correct. I choose the correct mentor, and that mentor, he had more experience, and he every day he's working out and giving new techniques, new skills like two senses, like listening podcast, reading, all these techniques he's giving without any pay. We are not paying anything. He's giving all the things. So we are taking out and we are doing all the skills. I can see the changes after doing all these things, all the techniques. I can see all these changes from my side. So really, sir, it's very helpful for me. As a mentor, I was very happy I have chosen the correct mentor in my life. And nowadays, I'm good in my reading skills. Before joining DNA, I'm not even, only I'm concentrating in my academic subjects. I will go through my syllabus only. After joining this course, I came to know all the good, nice books like self-help books, motivational things, because the mentor, he's giving experience. Along with the experience, whatever he's conveying to the students, gaining knowledge. Apart from the gaining part, your teaching is very interesting. We are motivated. We are good in communication skills also. So really thankful once again, Sandeep sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Jennifer. The next question to is Ganeshwari madam. As a doctor, you are also a doctor,
Yes, sir.
and students in communication skills, specifically mainly, they're more. The problem is more of psychological
Yes,
and less of technical. First thing is, as Pradnesh said, that we have made a hype of English. We are scared of English. We
yes,
think that this is not my language. It is for only intelligent people, high class people. That psychological effect is so much that most people even don't try to speak. And
yes,
in that situation, a role of a teacher is very important to make that student get rid of all this negativity, all this uh, irrational thinking. So, how do you feel like a teacher should be emotionally connected with the student, or what is the role of a teacher when it comes to psychology of a student? Because two things are there. First is the technical. The teacher must be technically very good. Like I'm technically very good in my field, in my English communication. But apart from that, students need another support, that is a psychological support, which is very, because as most of you joined me, I knew that you will be nervous, you will be doubtful, you will panic sometimes, you will lose your confidence and all. I knew that, so I could read your psychology, and then I supported you. The question to you is, Dr. Ganeshwari, is how a teacher should support a student psychologically. You are also a teacher. You may be supporting your students in your
yes,
college.
sir. Yes,
Please.
sir. Yes, sir. The regarding psychology, every students needs support, sir, through the mentor. Otherwise, they won't get, sir. A lot of students I come across in my class, those people are very good in their subjects. They write, read, and everything. But whenever they used to speak, that time they feel very low. As I am also feeling the same thing previous, sir. Before 1 month, I couldn't able to speak. I'm feeling very nervous in front of you also, sir. Now I'm facing means this is what you given me to support, sir. Whatever you know, just speak, ma'am. Just you give that much support, because yeah, I'm doing a lot of mistakes while speaking, the construction of the sentences, whatever maybe. But you have boosted up me through the psychology. That psychology is need each and every student, sir, because the low level of confidence only we unable to speak and unable to do such things, because the mentor what he's doing is keep on supporting the, keep on motivating the students, then only we will get achieve, because we know all the things. But the only problem is, only obstacle is, only hindrances is we cannot unable to speak. That time the psychology plays an important role, that you have given me, sir. That support you have given me. Whenever I am going to class, what I'm thinking before going to step on my class, oh, Sandeep sir behind me and he slapped me. Oh, Ganeshwari, you don't worry. You go ahead. Nothing to worry. That feeling I have, sir. Before going to my class, each and every class, I am thinking like that. Oh, Sandeep sir behind me. Okay, no, don't worry. That mentor is very important, sir. Giving a psychological support to every student. After joining this course, what I am doing is, I am also doing the same thing, sir. The subject is everyone know, the delivery very good and writing, but the thing is whenever they come to speak, whenever they come to approach us, the way they are not approaching, they are feeling very shy. But that time I'll give my students a lot of support. What you have given me, that support, that is very, very essential to everyone, sir. I feel every time, each and every day in the morning, oh, Sandeep sir behind me, he's slapping. Oh, don't worry, Gyaneshwari, you go ahead, you take plunge. I think this type of approaching, sir.
Absolutely. Even in my case, I had some teachers who were my emotional anchors. I mean, they were there always with me. They said that, Sandeep, you have the potential. Come on, Sandeep, you can do it. I mean, I was also the same. Like, I was doubtful. I was low in confidence. In fact, I was more like that, more than you maybe. In my school days, I always used to feel like I'm an imposter. I mean, I don't belong to this. I mean, students, everyone is better than me. I used to feel in the class. Everyone is more intelligent than me. Everyone is more smarter than me. Everyone is more clever. That word is there, clever. And but there were some teachers who made me believe in me. As far as technical subjects are concerned, that's fine. They were teaching good. But I believe that a teacher must be involved in a student emotionally. Because a student sees another parent in teacher.
Yes, sir.
That student has two parents. But when he comes to school, college, doesn't matter what is your age, okay? Even in college
Yes,
also.
sir.
A
Yes.
student is looking for another parent in a teacher. And when that student gets that emotional support that, yeah, sir is there with me. If I fall, he will hold me and show me the right direction. I mean, that student completely changes. Best out of him comes out and he achieves more in life. And we have Pratnesh here now. Pratnesh, you are also a trainer for yoga.
Yes.
Okay, yoga is all about mind and body. And how your mental support helps your patients. Tell us that.
Yes, because mind is a most important part. In Gita also said by Lord Krishna, mind is a cause of your upliftment, and at the same time, your mind is a cause of your downfall. So mind's role is very important. That's why lots of people talk about it. In our ancient science, ancient scriptures, they just talk about the mind because that is the one thing has never changed. Means according to condition, according to environment. Means people think the Gita said to the Arjuna 8,000 years ago, that is for that situation. It's not like that. Gita is not a anatomy. It's not a physical science. That is the mental science. That's why it's applied here also in this condition, in this environment, and in this Kali Yuga also. So mind role is most important. I'm going to share one story over here because this story it's totally related to our situation. So one day what happened, there is a one forest and deer come out for searching the food. At the same time, the tiger has also come out for searching the food. Both are searching their own food and by mistakenly they come front of each other. After watching the tiger, that deer is a little bit confused. He don't think anything because the situation, sometimes we walking on the road, the bridge working over there, the some work going on, and you are going down the bridge, and sometimes someone said something falling down towards you. We just taking our hands to our head and sitting down because this situation is new for our brain. We don't know how to act in suddenly. The same situation happened with that deer, and he just run in circle way and go directly towards the tiger. Why it's happened? Because this situation is a new for this deer. But you just change the deer. There is another deer, the same situation happened with him also. And what he did, he just run away from this. And while running, he is just thinking about that tiger is not my neighbor. I have not taken any money from him, and he is coming to take that money. I am his food. That's why he's running behind me. Why he thinking like that? Because his mind is able to think like that. He has done mind management. So you, sir, you are doing here our mind management. You are supporting like us because you are working at communication. At the same time, you are working on our mind, our psychology, and that is important thing. While running this, the deer can think because of his mind is stable. Most of the time, we think when our body is in action, our mind getting calm. That is the yoga philosophy. Our teacher Iyengar sir and Dr. Karandikar sir always saying that if you want to stable your mind, yeah, control your mind, just do some work. Do constantly some Surya Namaskara. When you get sweat out, definitely your mind will calm down. So work on your body, mind definitely settle down. So after some time, the running, the deer also thinking tiger coming behind me. And while running, he just think, why I am running? Why I am not going to fight this situation? But he also think our past generation, I never heard about it, anyone fight with tiger. But still he is running. But one time has come, tiger is too much close to him. And that time he just said, I have to do something. And for that, he just turned back. While he turned back, the tiger on the air in the jump, tiger going to catch him. On that situation, deer turned back and put his thorn like this position and tiger on the air. Tiger see all that things, but he cannot do anything because he is on the air. The land support has gone and he come down and is thrown into the tiger's stomach. Tiger fall down and deer run from there. So he saved his life. Why he saved his life? Because in this difficult situation, he can think, he can use his mind. And most of the time, for communicator, those are new in this field, means those student, they feel too much fear. While they are in fear while talking, they cannot think. And if they are not, their mind is not connected with talking, how they can talk? So for that, I definitely say the mentor is required. And your way of teaching, sir, that is most important, because I have searched lots of other teacher on YouTube and any other offline classes. No one going to talk about the psychology. Everyone just running behind the grammar and just they are giving some notes and you have to by heart that situation, that sentences, small phrases and all that things. But what is the condition of student? What is the psychology of student? They are not going to understand because they don't know about it. That's why they are not doing these things. So your job is means difficult. I know that everyone's situation, everyone's condition is different, but still you are taking everyday new session, and that definitely comes to everyone, cover the everyone, because in one session no one everyone will not going to cover, but you are taking different topic in every lectures. So that is helpful for us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. And yeah, now it's last, Jennifer. So how emotional support is important for your students? You are teaching school kids and they are very vulnerable. I mean, they need a lot of emotional support from you. Do you support them emotionally and why it is important?
So yes, sir. Actually, for me, teaching along with the teaching, we have the connection between. The connection is more important between the teacher and the student. And I learned this connection from you. Your very connection with our DNA students. So, in my perspective, whenever I'm taking class, I used to say some stories, moral stories. So, by stories, the child can understand, they will learn good values from the story, and they are not doing such kind of bad behavior after that story. And at the same time, I'm encouraging my children whenever they are doing mistakes, they are hesitate sometime to speak during this online classes. I'm trying to motivate them All these things I learned from you after joining this DNA course. And as a mentor, I would like to share a few points about this mentorship. I work with this DNA. I came to know 3A from you, 3A's. The first A, I would say active listening. And second A is availability. And third A is analysis. I gone through this experience from you, Sandeep sir. Like whenever you're taking class, I'm belong to morning session. So whenever I'm sitting in front of my gadget, I was eagerly waiting for your class when sir will start the class. So that active listening is there in your class. And second thing, availability. You are available to all members. We are doing any new things. We are taking a new step. You are encouraging us in group. Really, it's helpful for us. It's motivating us. And third thing is analysis. Daily you're working out and finding new techniques, analyzing that, and it's really helpful for us. So I experience all these 3 A's, and these 3 A's, the person who's having these 3 A's is a good mentor. So after experiencing all these things, I came to know now I am in good hands, that is safe hands, and gaining good values. So I got many benefits from you, Sandeep sir. I would like to specially specify some benefits like being encouraged and empowered in personality development. And I was helped to identify my career goals, achieve my career goals, and my confident level after joining, after attending 1 month with you, my confident level really increased, and the communication skills also increased. Really, thank you, Sandeep sir. Thank you so much.
Well, it is said that a student likes that subject. A student likes that subject, which is the subject taught by his favorite teacher. It's not the subject, it's the teacher that makes the subject easier, that makes the subject likable. In fact, I hated maths in my school days. I hated maths up to 7th standard. Unfortunately, I got a teacher who I liked, whom I respected. Therefore, I started liking maths. Therefore, I got good grades. I mean, I'm an engineer now. I'm a doctorate. Why? Because of that teacher. And that is what my job is here. I have to give you back what my teacher gave me. You must love English communication. You must love English. You must love to go on the stage. That will only happen when you feel like Sandeep Patil is really here to help me. He's not here to take my money, but he is there to help me. He is not only there to help me in English, but he's always there if I fall down. Believe that. I believe that a teacher who's trying to teach students without inspiring them is beating a cold iron, and that's not going to work. A teacher must be always emotionally involved and connected with the students. Because I believe that only syllabus completion is not a role of a teacher. That is a role of a professional teacher. But every student has some problems, has some difficulties. We have to overcome that. And especially in communication skills, in fluency, in public speaking, which I train, communication skill, all these things are very important. If your psychology is not good, you will not be able to be a good communicator. And that is what we are working on. Friends, my best wishes to you all that you become a better teacher than me in your respective fields so that you can make a difference in your students' life. I'm trying to do something from my end. You also pass this to your students. Don't keep it with you. Whatever I'm giving you, pass it on to other students. And one important thing and last thing is keep on working on. It's a communication skill. Communication skills are never for 1 or 2 months. It's a life skill because a better communicator can create a better society, can create a better nation, can create a better world to live in. Because communication skill touches the heart of a person. If you want to transform this world, communication is the key. Communication is not only for business. to earn money. No, I believe that great communicators can make great changes in the society, in the nation, and in the world overall. Thanks a lot, friends. Hope all of you enjoyed this session.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm sure that
Yes, sir.
you are going to be ideal
sir.
teachers in your classrooms. Thanks a lot for coming here.
Yes, sir.
And take
Most
care.
welcome, sir. Thank you so
Namaste.
much.
Sir,
Yes.
Namaste.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your giving lot of encouragement us.
Okay.
Emotionally connected, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you.